So Jeremy, can you tell me a little bit more about the Unity in the Community event that you guys have coming up?
Absolutely. All right, so the Unity in the Community event is going to be on Saturday, June 22nd from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's going to be held at the Charles Lynn Brown Recreation Center, which is located at the corner of Green Street and Hamar. And the event is going to have free food trucks. Mother Smoking Good is going to be there. Grub at J is going to be there, and we're going to be having free service demos. So you might learn something about Latin dance, or we even have the Port Royal Sound Foundation coming out, and they're going to have some neat stuff with them. We're also going to be doing free pool passes for the day for people who show up, and of course, all of this is limited in the amount of what we can give out. But you want to make sure to show up, at 10 o'clock when we get going.
Great. Hope to see you guys out there on June 22nd. Everybody make their way out to the Unity in the Community event. So thank you so much, Jeremy.
Thank you.